Okay, so Mayor. Mayor, sabihin kayo Mayor. Davao City. Davao City. Mayor, gusto. Pangarap kayo na ako Mayor, pero perform sa mga Dabaman. Santa, gusto mo Mayor. Sumabalik ako sa sugod. Okay. Ang talent ako Mayor is yung beatbox. So, tanan niyo madugan Mayor, hindi ka nasa kumbakba. So, ladies and gentlemen, we love Mayor Duterte. Wait, that matches.
Ladies and gentlemen, we love Mayor Duterte. Make some noise.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is me.
Beatbox.
Let's go. Yes, beat box. Yes, beat box. Yes, beat box. Yes, let's go. Yes, okay ba? Asa ba? Maganda na sa Mayor sa 5 sounds? Okay, Mayor. I have 5 different sounds. Para lang dito kay Mayor. Okay. 5 sounds Mayor. Okay. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Five sounds altogether for Mayor. Would you like to hear that? Okay, here we go.
Thank you so much. Palapakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Davao City and Mindanao in the name of Mr. Neil Ray Llanes, Asia's Got Talent semi-finalist.
Thank you. Mayor, dili ko katuban na perform sa mga Dabaman. Isa naman kami tatag ko na ito na performan. Mas nasa na sa kalibutan o sa Pilipinas pero maka-perform sa mga Dabaman Mayor kay makahilak mo. Idol mo na sa Mayor Duterte pero nakawata ba ko naglakot na namin po. Thank you Ma'am Liway sa pag-invite.
Thank you so much, Neil, for that very humble gesture you've shown to our city mayor. Congratulations. Thank you. Davao City ranked as among